Hi, my name is Michelle Bloom. I'm the retirement sales counselor here at Masonic Care at Ashler Village, and I work with the assisted living and memory care apartments. I've been working here as the retirement sales counselor for about a year now, and we have a partnership with Amston Transition for our program called Masonic Care Moves. This program assists family with the transition of moving from a home to our apartments here at our assisted living community. It makes the move a lot easier for our families because they can worry about the care and about their parents or their loved ones coming here, and Amston handles all the other details of where the furniture is going to go and how everything is going to be placed in the apartments. Families have raved about Amston and the gentleman and how well the team works and how easy they make the whole moving process. Amston is here on a regular basis as folks move in. I get to meet with them several times a month as new people come in. They work with the family, meets with the families in their home. They assess the furniture to be moved in and then help them place the furniture accordingly. Families have reached back out to Amston to work with them on move-outs, or if they need to have any changes to their accommodation, their apartment. So families have also called to ask for Amston's contact information to use them for other personal moves as well.
Well, if you want to know what I think of Amston, I think it's wonderful. I mean, I didn't have to do a thing to help. Andrew and Jeff are just so accommodating and pleasant and helpful, and it made the whole thing very painless about moving my husband into memory care. And I also thought they were very sensitive about the fact that I was worried that I didn't want my husband to see all his furniture leaving when he was still in the house, and I wanted to get him out of the house first. And they called me on the phone as they were coming, and they said, "We're waiting around the corner, and when your husband is out of the house, you call us and we'll come." And so they came over, they put all the stuff into his room, they put together the bed, all with good humor, and very nice people. I just would highly recommend them. I just think it's a great group.